Hey y'all, this is EagleStone's bubble machine kit. I'm going to show you guys how it works and go over everything for y'all. So it is a 2-pack, which is amazing. They already have the pre-mixed bubble solution in here, but they also give you tons of bubble solution. So these all are bubble solution packs, which is amazing, guys. So we first start off, well, let's actually put some batteries in here first. So you will need 4 AA batteries per machine. So you're going to need 8 total if you want to have both at the same time. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your bubble solution here, and you can rip off the full seal, or what I recommend doing is just simply, see where they got that dot there? We just simply poke a little hole in it like that, and then you're going to feed the little tube down inside. And you just kind of feed that in there, up into the machine, and then you twist it. Don't turn it upside down though. So you only like tilt this upside down. I'm not sure if it's bubble proof, like if you tilt it, if it spills anywhere, but I'll test that out for you guys. Now we're ready to go use it. Of course, you got your cute little rabbit that you can pop up. You can have it facing this way or have it facing you. So cute. Okay, let's do the tilt test. Now, I don't recommend doing this at all, but it does look like it's holding up for you guys. I mean, it's not going to perform that good upside down, so you definitely want to have it like that. Get the air out of the line, but it works really well, guys. Like really, really well.